Here are 10 popular brands that are often lucrative for reselling, along with a brief overview of why they're appealing. 1. Hermes Appeal. High-end luxury goods, especially handbags like the Birkin, can appreciate significantly over time. 2. Montblanc Appeal. Luxury writing instruments and accessories are sought after for their quality and prestige. 3. Vans Appeal. Classic skate shoes and unique collaborations appeal to both casual wearers and collectors. 4. Fila Appeal. Vintage and retro styles are trending, especially among sneaker and streetwear enthusiasts. 5. Under Armour Appeal. Popular athletic wear and footwear often retains value, especially in high-performance categories. 6. H&M Conscious Collection Appeal. Sustainable and limited edition items can attract eco-conscious consumers. 7. Montclair Appeal. High-quality winter jackets are sought after for their style and performance, especially in colder climates. 8. Gucci Appeal. Iconic fashion items and accessories are in demand and often hold their value well. 9. Burton Appeal. Snowboarding gear and apparel are popular among outdoor enthusiasts, especially during winter seasons. 10. Nikon Appeal. Cameras and photography equipment are in high demand, particularly for vintage and high-quality models. Tips for successful reselling market research. Continuously monitor market trends and resale values. Quality control. Ensure products are in excellent condition and well presented. Effective marketing. Use engaging photos and descriptions to attract buyers. Build a brand. Consider creating a brand identity to stand out in the reselling market. These brands can enhance your reselling portfolio and attract a diverse customer base.